Welcome to the enchanting Wellesley residence, a historic 1930s colonial home masterfully rejuvenated by designer Katie Rosenfeld for a young, fashion-forward family. We will explore each room of the house. As you approach the home, its classic Royal Barry Wills architecture stands as a testament to timeless design. The exterior exudes a sense of history, inviting you to explore the thoughtfully curated spaces within. Guests are welcomed by the timeless charm of this home's whitewashed brick facade, with dark shutters framing crisp windows. Likely the front parlor wing, it blends rustic elegance with modern landscaping, offering a warm and lasting impression. Stepping through the front door, you enter the foyer, a harmonious blend of traditional elements and contemporary flair. The space sets the tone for the home's aesthetic, where vintage charm meets modern sensibilities. The sunroom offers guests a warm, inviting space filled with natural light streaming through large windows framed by woven shades. The centerpiece is a cozy L-shaped sofa, adorned with a mix of plaid, floral, and striped pillows, surrounding a tufted leather ottoman that serves as both a coffee table and a stylish accent. Bright white walls with beadboard paneling and a coffered ceiling provide a clean, airy backdrop, while the built-in sideboard adds both function and charm with curated books and greenery. Warm wood tones, gold accents in the lighting, and thoughtfully placed decor create a relaxing retreat where comfort meets understated elegance. Guests entering this formal sitting room are welcomed by a blend of elegance and warmth. The white fireplace, adorned with layered artwork, anchors the space, framed by tall, flowing drapes and sunlit windows. A velvet sofa with floral pillows adds vibrant texture, while plaid armchairs and a tiger print ottoman balance classic and playful touches. A coffee table with curated books, fresh blossoms, and delicate accents ties the room together. Gold details and a neutral backdrop complete this refined, inviting space, perfect for conversation and relaxation. This room features a dark wood campaign chest with brass accents, flanked by bamboo-style chairs. Framed vintage blueprints above add historical charm, while fresh lilacs and curated decor on the chest bring elegance. The space blends timeless design with a welcoming atmosphere. To your left, the dining room captivates with its bold character. Swathed in Gracie wallpaper, the room features a custom urban electric chandelier, casting a warm glow over the table. Consignment store chairs, thoughtfully selected, encircle the table, exemplifying the home's high-low design philosophy. This formal dining room exudes elegance and warmth, enveloped by lush botanical wallpaper in green and gold tones, matched perfectly with drapes that frame tall windows. A polished dark wood dining table anchors the space, surrounded by a mix of floral upholstered chairs and black lacquered chairs with gilded accents. A vibrant vase of red blooms provides a bold focal point, while golden frames with abstract art add a touch of modernity. A gleaming brass bar cart stocked with glass decanters hints at refined gatherings. Overhead, a sleek brass pendant light casts a warm glow, tying together the room's timeless charm. A woven rug underfoot softens the space, making it both sophisticated and inviting for guests. Moving toward the heart of the home, you find the kitchen, a space where functionality meets style. Floor-to-ceiling subway tiles provide a clean backdrop for the antique chestnut island, topped with a striking piece of Jurassic marble. A wall-mounted hutch proudly displays a cherished cabbageware collection, adding a personal touch to the culinary hub. This beautifully designed kitchen blends timeless elegance with functionality. Sunlight pours in through large grid-style windows, illuminating white cabinetry with brass hardware and a custom range hood with brass accents. The dark stone island contrasts the warm wooden base, serving as the heart of the space for meal prep and gatherings. Large brass pendant lights hang from a shiplap ceiling, casting a cozy glow over the room. Copper pots, fresh greenery, and a vintage rug add charm and character. With its thoughtful design and inviting atmosphere, this kitchen is both a culinary haven and a welcoming gathering space. The kitchen exudes timeless charm with its warm wooden cabinet, adorned with brass hardware and glass doors showcasing elegant green cabbage-patterned ceramics. Set against glossy white subway tiles, the space feels both refined and inviting, blending heritage with hospitality. It's a perfect harmony of craftsmanship and comfort, where every detail tells a story. Adjacent to the kitchen, the powder room offers a nod to early 20th century design. An antique console serves as the vanity, seamlessly integrating historical elements with modern amenities, creating a space that feels both luxurious and inviting. Continuing your journey, you ascend to the primary bathroom, a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Here, a vintage dressing table stands alongside contemporary fixtures, embodying the home's theme of blending old-world charm with new-world luxury. Throughout the home, a thoughtful mix of colors, patterns, and textures reflects the client's evolved vision, from an initial desire for neutral tones to embracing a vibrant, livable palette suitable for a growing family. Each room tells a story of curated yet effortless design, much like pairing an iconic piece of jewelry with a great pair of jeans and a funky coat. As you prepare to depart, a final glance reveals the meticulous attention to detail and the harmonious blend of past and present that define this remarkable Wellesley home, a true testament to Katie Rosenfeld's visionary design and the client's adventurous spirit.